Let's just rank She-Hulk so I can go.
S tier, it was a cinematic masterpiece, and She-Hulk is a smash, smash, double, triple smash. I want some of that angry green body on me all night long.
Fuck, man, couldn't you have said that about someone underage? I want to shoot you?
She-Hulk is the only exception to someone I would smash who is not legal, because look at her green ass like, come on, smash.
It's going in low D only because of the Daredevil episode, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Just get it over with.
No, top tier now.
I ain't going to listen, Joe. It's going in low D.
Fine, I'm going to get ice cream anyways. Fuck yous.
Yeah, fuck you too.
Well, this has gone to shit.